Fighting now on man 6, Finlay Whitelaw, Great Britain versus Lorenz Klingler, Swiss. Please prepare on man 6, Nihat Agayev, Azerbaijan versus Luca Bendeliani, Georgia.
Fighting now on man 2, Dan Buick, Netherlands versus HQ, Great Britain. Please prepare for match 2, Justin Beverlo, Netherlands versus Mohamed El Amir, Great Britain.
Fighting now on man 7, Georgi Hakatidze, Georgia versus Mia Lukalona, Switzerland. Please prepare Ali Kasim.